What is up, everybody? Welcome back to our channel, and today we are finally building this PC. So yeah, we have every single part right here. Everything's gonna be linked in the description if you guys want to see it, the parts. So pretty much what you're gonna want to need for building a PC that are gonna come in handy is obviously a screwdriver and cups to put your little bolts and stuff for your case. Okay, so for our RAM, we have 8 gigabytes of DDR4, 3000 megahertz. It's from Viper. It's pretty good. We got this for $40 on, what was it, Amazon, I think. So yeah, cop yourself a pair of this. 3000 megahertz, pretty fast. And yeah, so for the next part, for the hard drive, we got a Seagate 1 terabyte. It's 7200 RPM, pretty good. We also got this for $40 at Micro Center. Right. And for the motherboard, we got the Prime B450M DSM. This is a Asus motherboard. It's pretty good. It has 4 RAM slots or micro ATX. Pretty good. So yeah, $78 micro Amazon actually. And we went and got the EVGA 500 watt bronze certified. It's pretty good. We got it for like $45 on Amazon. So really good price. There is a 450 watt for like $40, I think. But yeah, 500 watts is the way to go. And for the CPU, we went ahead and got the Ryzen 5 2600X, pretty good. It has 6 cores, 12 threads with 3.6 gigahertz. You can overclock this up to 4.2 gigahertz, which is actually pretty fast. So yeah, great CPU. We got this for $110, I think. It's in the previous video. I'll leave it right here, the price right here. So yeah, right here. But yeah, pretty good. Micro Center, they got the good deals. And for the graphics card, we got the RX 580. It's an 8 gig card. Not much to say. 8 gigabytes RX 580. It's a good card. We got this for $170 at Micro Center. And last but not least, we got the DIY PC Vision 2. It's black and green, I think. So it comes with 3 intake fans, and then it has 1 exhaust fan that is back here. And yeah, we still have everything sealed. We're gonna unpeel everything off at last when it's built. And my goal for this build is to get pretty good cable management to make it look sleek. And yeah, this was about $56, I think, on Newegg. So yeah, if you guys want to know the whole overall price of all these specs right here, then I will put it right here. That's the price right there. And yeah, let's build it. Okay, so we have the end product right here. This is the cable management that I managed to pull off. There is this big fat CPU cable up here running through the top because I couldn't put it up top there. And then there's this fan cable that goes in here. And then I don't know why, but the PCIe cables, they have like 2 of these, I guess. So that looks pretty not good. But other than that, I mean, it's not too bad. And then, yeah, I'm gonna turn it on. We got the green. 3 fans spinning. And then the exhaust fan. And the CPU fan is running as well. So we're gonna put this to the test. We're gonna open up Windows and see if it actually goes to the BIOS, and yeah. Alright, so now we're gonna test if it boots to the BIOS. Yeah, don't mind my dirty monitor. It has a whole bunch of nasty fingerprints on it. And yeah, turn it on. Let's see if it works. Oh. Let's go. It works. Let's go. So pretty much what we're gonna do now is get our USB, the one that I have, and we're gonna plug in Windows and get it running. Alright, if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out. Go ahead, share with your friends, do all that good stuff because it helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Gets us out there. And we're going to end it off shortly right here. And yeah, peace out.